Hi friends, welcome to Code World YouTube channel. My name is Basha. In the previous video, we discussed some basic concept in the set, right? That is introduction to the set. Make sure you watch that video and come to this video. The link of that video is in description below and above iCard. Please check it out. This is part 2 of the set. In this video, we are going to discuss, see the agenda, is subset method, is disjoint method, union method, intersection method. So, get into the video. First, here I want to define subset. Set A is a subset of another set B if all the elements of set A are elements of set B. See here, I will explain with example. This is my sublime. For example, I have my set B with values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I have set A and values like 3, 4, 5. See here, the values of set A, 3, 4, 5 are the values of set B also. 3, 4, 5 are present in set B also. That's why we can say set A is a subset of set B. Empty set, the null set, is subset of all the sets. To check whether a set is subset for a set, Python have a inbuilt method, that is subset method. See here, I will explain the example. I have just said that set A is subset for set B. So I will show you how to say set A is subset for set B with using is subset method. B dot is subset, sorry, not B, A is subset for B, right? And B. If I run this, see, return 2, right? A is subset for B. The values of A, 3, 4, 5 are present in B also. That's why it is a subset. That's why it return 2. If I change the values in B, for example 10, 20, 30 and 40, here it return false. I had told you that empty set is a subset for all the sets. See, now A is empty set, null set. I had told you that null set is a subset for all the sets. That's why it returned true. This is subset method. Next, union method. Union method returns a set that contains all the elements from both sets but not duplicate elements. Duplicate elements are excluded. See here, I'll explain with a diagram. This is set A with values like 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is set B with values 3, 4, 5, 6. This is A union B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the elements, both the elements in set A and set B, and duplicate elements are excluded. Here duplicate elements are 3, 4 because 3, 4 are present in set A and set B. That's why they don't print two times, they print only once in the resultant set, A union B. So the A union B value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is union method. See, I'll show you how to implement union method in Python. See the syntax. Set dot union, and in the round brackets we have to give set1, set2 up to set n. We have choice to give how many sets we want. Back to Sublime, I'll show you example here. This is my set A with values 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B have values 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Set C A dot union and here B. Now if I print the C, set C, the result, I'm going to run this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are printed. Like this. This is the resultant set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 printed here. Okay. This is union method. Next, intersection method. Intersection method returns a set that contains the elements that exist in both the sets. See here, I will explain with diagram. See here, this is A with values 1, 2, 3, 4 and B set have values 3, 4, 5, 6. If I perform intersection on these two sets, now here we get the result 3, 4 only. In the both the sets A and B, 3, 4 are the common elements. That's why A intersection B returns 3, 4. This is my sublime, and here I take A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 3, 4, 5. If I perform intersection here, C is equal to A dot intersection B. I print my set C, print C, it return 4 only, because these are the common elements in both the sets, right? That's why it return 3 4 like this. Okay, this is intersection method. You want me to teach more about this Python? Make sure you comment below. Hey, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Next is disjoint method. First, I have to tell what is disjoint set. In mathematics, two sets are said to be disjoint sets if they have no common elements. That means the intersection of these two sets is null, that is empty set. Then these two sets are said to be disjoint sets. See here. For example, my set A have values like 10, 20, 30 and 40, and my set B have values like 200, 300, 400. Set A and set B are said to be disjoint sets because there is no common elements, right? If we perform intersection on these two sets, we get null set as output. Here I will show you. I take set C and A dot intersection B. If I print my set C, see, null set is printed. No. That's why the set A and set T are said to be disjoint sets. But to find two sets are disjoint or not, we don't need to find intersection in Python. Python have inbuilt method, that is disjoint method. By using that method, we can find two sets are disjoint or not. Disjoint method return true if no elements are common between two sets. Otherwise, it returns false. See the syntax: set1 dot is disjoint. In the round brackets, we have to give set2. Here set1, set2 are two sets to search for the common elements, right? For the same example, if I give A dot is disjoint B, then it return true because these two sets are a disjoint set. If I add elements like 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, now it returns false because 10 is common between set A and set B. That's why it returns false. If I remove 10, run this, see 2. Now the two sets A and set B are disjoint. That's why it returns 2. That's it for this video, friends. See you in next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Comment your opinion on this video in the comment section below. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you for watching.